Yeah, in this segment, I am going to explain something ridiculously easy, honestly. Now, you see here water, an empty glass, and here water. Energy, spiritual energy, just like water, just like electricity, and so on and so forth, just like the air, all the elements. What is it? It is not only conductive, it is everything conductive, adaptive, you name it. You see water in this bottle. Now, this is the default shape of a bottle, obviously, just a simple plastic water bottle. The bottle could literally be in the shape of a microphone, it could be in the shape of a mouse, it could be in the shape of a bag, it could be in the shape of a monkey outright. And the water, what do you notice? It immediately, doesn't matter what you do, it is fluid. It adjusts automatically to whatever shape and or size it comes across. Now, you pour water, and you can see for yourself, slow motion, you play it, you'll see that what happens, the water immediately takes the shape of whatever it comes into contact with. It immediately adjusts and adapts, and it chooses the path of least resistance amongst other things. This very same basic principle applies to spiritual energy. That's all you need to keep in mind. By that logic, water and all the aforementioned, all things of an elemental nature are energetic. They are energy. Only difference is that water is a material form of energy, for example. The same goes with wind, but the difference is that water is visibly tangible opposed to wind. Not in a direct sense, at least, because if you didn't see trees move, etc., and you didn't hear howling noises that the wind makes, you wouldn't even know that the wind exists. It would just be something in the background that you cannot see with the naked eye, contrary to water. The same principle applies to energy, spiritual energy.